I'm a goddamn individual. Sense of self makes me indivisible. With a flow that's so irresistible. And I've been running this like an elliptical. Inadmissible in my physical. Habitual is inexplicable.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. If you're a returning subscriber, I just want to say thank you for coming back. And if you're new to this channel, just smash that subscribe button to get notifications of my new videos, which I upload weekly. So today, the unit I'm going to be reviewing is the Sensationnel Alani, and I'm wearing it in the color 2. So if you're interested in seeing the specs on this unit and seeing how I styled it, just stay tuned and I'll show you the specs in this video.
Come here. Okay, I'm ready to flow. Yes, I've been ready to go. Diamonds on my fucking coat. Fresh as to death in my clothes. Fuck as you mean I ain't getting slippery with it and crisp. Killing these rappers my hit. He get the fuck out my kitchen. Flow is so fresher than y'all's. Fuck is you hitting me foul? I see it, you wanted to be me, believe it. You envy my motherfucking flaws. On my shit, won't see my fall back. Puff, puff, hit, don't blow my buzz. Here we go. Did I just mention I'm killing it? Listen like, oh boy, you're getting them. My shit is so cemented into them. Word to my end and my energy's killing them. Woo! Slow it down a little bit, I get them in, and I'm standing inside of the kennel with the pedal to the metal with the fire for the track, and I'm riding like a thousand.
Goddamn, how you gon' do the song like that? Fuck around the fence and be a stereo on the track, yeah. See we ability to beat and tag the easy back, and we can meet it rap that. You may not know what's saying, but know that. I'm the song with that heat, so best believe it. Get back, see I ain't afraid to attack. I'm like the media on media. These lines distract me while you googling Wikipedia to fill in the facts, and I've been wide awake, man. Staking days for nights and nights for real mistakes. I'm sacrificing sleep states to live inside this dream and stay, and they feel away cause they can't relate to you. Amazing, quite debatable, but I've been faithful to this idea. I'm grateful. Wait, cause it's near and it's becoming quite clear that if I can alleviate the things that I fear, my inner piece of crease can maybe see so much here. I had to slow it down for those who couldn't understand me. Then I sped it up again cause I know y'all can't stand me. My full insanity, you think that this was vanity? I don't match my flaws with shit except profanity. So they be mad at me, but I embrace humanity. My state of mind is fantasy. Casually in days, I just also in reality. I decide not to mind, no doubt within my galaxy. Out of time, blind, and still living in a fallacy. Just another murky photo in your gallery. You're living in darkness and the harness of your cavalry. So bad shit up off of me, awfully. Sorry, but I'm following your dreams. Hardly anybody's gonna dream it as it seems. Bloody stand by, will get tearing at the seams. Madly pulling threads away until they feel complete. I'm unbreakable and won't admit defeat. Pride is uncheckable, cause I'm goddamn, how you gon' do this song like that? Fuck around the fence and be a stereo on the track, yeah. See the ability to beat and tag the easy back, and we can meet it rap. See the ability to beat and tag the easy back, and we can meet it rap.
So this unit is probably one of my favorites through the year that, through this year at least, that I've reviewed. I feel like it's very natural looking. It has a really nice density. This curl pattern is beautiful and realistic. I didn't go through and finger comb it too much just because I really like the way that it is. And I didn't want to mess up the curl pattern too much and make it all big and fluffy. So I do like this unit a lot. Now this is everything to the front. It's a nice and full density. It's giving me like virgin hair vibes, right? I just really like how it's laid. The parting space is really nice. I'm loving the baby hairs. They weren't much work to get to lay down. I definitely would consider this a throw on and go unit. All I did was literally throw it on, put some concealer, smooth my baby hairs, and just like finger comb out the curls a little bit, and you're good to go. Like, this is definitely a throw on and go, and you're looking cute while you're doing it, you know what I mean? So this is everything to the front, and this is to the side. And this is everything to the back. So I honestly don't really have any downsides about this unit. I mean, even when I was finger combing it, I wasn't really getting any shedding. Obviously, you're going to get some snags because it's super kinky and curly, but I feel like it's definitely worth it. I 100% would pick this up again. I just feel like it's beautiful. For the cap construction, you do get your 2 combs in the front, you run comb in the back. This does feel very small and medium head friendly. If you have a larger head, I would say stray far away from this because my head is on the smaller side and it's fitting me beautifully. So I feel like if you have a bigger head, honey, it's gonna be a no for you. Like, don't do it to yourself because it's really pretty and it's worth it, but like if it's not gonna fit your head, then like what are you gonna do? Yeah, but that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. This is another quick, simple review. This is another easy, beautiful throw on and go unit. I hope you guys like this video. Give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below if you want me to pick up any new units. Tell me if you like this unit, if you don't like this unit, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.
Come here, come here, come here, come here. Okay, I'm ready to flow. Yes, I've been ready to go. Diamonds on my fucking coat. Fresher to death in my clothes. Footage you mean I ain't getting. Slippery with it and crisp. Killing these rappers my hit. He get the fuck out my kids.